One of Git's biggest strengths is that it lets you see exactly what changed before saving anything. That's where three essential commands come in: git status, git diff, and git add. Git status shows changed files, git diff shows the exact lines that were modified, and git add stages those changes for the next commit. These are commands developers use every single day. And in this episode, we'll learn how to track, review, and stage changes step by step. Now let's see how Git tracks changes in a real project. We're back inside our My Web App project. Open the readme.md file that we created earlier. Let's add a new line. Project description goes here. Now save the file, close it, and return to the project folder. Next, open the terminal inside this directory. First, let's check the repository status using git status. Git now tells us that readme.md has been modified. But what exactly changed? To inspect the changes line by line, run git diff. Here we can clearly see the new line we added. Project description goes here. Now let's stage this file using git add readme.md. And if we run git status again, we can see the changes are now staged and ready to commit. Next, let's save this snapshot using git commit-m. For the commit message, I'll write added project description in readme.md. And just like that, the changes are committed. If we run git status one more time, Git tells us the working tree is clean, which means there are no uncommitted changes left in the repository. And that's the basic workflow developers use every day. You can now see exactly what changed in your project, inspect changes line by line, and choose what gets staged before a commit. That workflow, status, diff, and add, is something developers use every single day. And now that you understand how Git tracks changes, we're ready for the next big concept: branching. In the next episode, we'll learn how to build features safely using branches, work on multiple ideas in parallel, and merge changes back together without breaking the main project. That's where Git starts feeling truly powerful. I'll see you in the next episode.